Do you want to use Zoom application for a teacher, and you are a teacher and you want to teach 100 students at the same time for free? Then that video is for you. I'm Jamshed Raza from professionaltutorial.com, and today I'm going to show you how you are going to use Zoom application as a teacher, and you can make your student happy while teaching at the same time 100 students. Right now, if you are going to see that I am in Zoom website, which is zoom.us, and here you can just only write zoom.us and you will get that website. Okay, now since we are going to use a free application for the Zoom, then we have a plan and pricing. You should come here and then you will see there are different packages or plans for the Zoom application, but we are going to use the free version, which is completely fine, and we can get up to 100 participants or students to just join our application, and we are going to teach whatsoever we are going to teach. Okay, now there are all other application as well, like if you have more audience or more students, you are going to take one class up to 300 participant or 500 participant. You have different packages, but remember that when you are going to use free version, you have one session for only 40 minutes. Here you can see that we have 40 minutes limitation for a group meeting. Okay, now one thing else I like in the Zoom application, which is most of the amazing part of the Zoom, and that is video webinar. It is not for free, but if you want to use that one, like $40 per month, if you are going to invest, then you can live stream that unlimited in audience on Facebook Live and YouTube, which is also best part of the Zoom. Okay, what you are going to do, we are going to use since free version, therefore we use sign up and it's free. Then here you are just simply verify your date of birth. For example, I will say that I am like my date of birth, okay, for example 92. Then you are going to continue, and after that one you are going to enter your work email address. Then an email verification will be sent to your email address. Then when you are going to click that one, then you will get like that one. Okay, now since I am in my application, since I have already registered everything, and I have also verified my email address. After that one you have like your account. Okay, then you will get host a meeting. Then you are going to you have three options here, like with video on, or with video off, or screen share only. Now some people want to share on the screen, therefore they are not going to display or showcase himself, therefore they are going to use screen share. If you want to use screen share only, you are going to click on that one, but I will use with video, since we are going to teach students where we have to eye contact with them to understand or make them understand everything. All right, then now click on with video on, and you will get here you will get like I have already downloaded the Zoom application. Okay, now what you are going to do, if you nothing prompts from the browser, you are going to download one application and it will already download for you. Okay, and the small application is here. Then I will just say that open the link, and now we are going to see that I have also one like that display. Now you can already see that Zoom meeting participant ID, and here I am, you are watching me right now, and I have join audio, join with computer audio, and test speaker and microphone as well. If you are going to test, for example, now you have speaker. If you heard the ringtones, then say yes. Then if you are using your microphone, like I'm using my microphone and it's completely yes. Then if you are using your microphone, like I'm using my microphone, and then you are going to press yes, and after that I will just click join with computer audio and join with computer audio. I will mute myself right now because I'm using my system microphone, and here you can already see and watching me that there are so many options available here. For example, let me just make it a capital or maximize the window, and you can see that my name is here, and I can mute and unmute myself and all other participants as well. And you can also change your microphone. For example, I have different microphones, but right now I'm using the one which I have right now, which is Blue Snowball. Okay, now again, if you are going to use, for example, different I have camera, and you are going to use the camera which you are which is available. For example, if I'm going to use USB camera 2.0, then you can see right now it is right now I have a different view of camera, but since I'm using my own camera, therefore you can see me right here. And for security, there is not a problem because Zoom just take care of the security. Someone else may not join your webinar or your classroom, therefore it is completely fine to have a security. Since I have one participant, if I'm going to click, and you can see that I'm host Jamshed Raza and me, and there is option for mute, and I can also add profile picture as well. Okay, when I'm going to click on participant, again you can see that the window will disappear, and I can also click on chat, and we are going to chat with everyone or with specific participant which I'm going to show you right now while I'm going to join with my mobile phone. Okay, now you can also share your screen. For example, you have we are going to share like screen, and you have different screen. Okay, if you want to share, then you can do that completely. All right and fine, but right now I'm not going to share that one. Maybe if you are teaching like computer courses and you want your display to be display in the Zoom application, then you can do that easily, okay, with sharing screen. And you can also record all your activities while you are teaching your students, and you are going to click on record, and it will record one copy in your computer, and afterward you are going to also upload that one in different places like Facebook or YouTube, while other, if there was a student who may be absent, they can watch that later on, all the lectures. That is one of the most amazing feature of the Zoom as well, and all these features are completely like free. If I'm going to end the Zoom application, here is the option where I'm going to end that one, and if you are going to full screen, and you can see that right now I'm in full screen mode. Okay, you are going to just minimize that one. Now if I'm going to, for example, add a participant, what you are going to do, you have two options here. One is security, you don't just let that as it is, and the other is like icon, and you have all the information here. What I'm going to do, I will invite send invitation, and I will copy my invitation here, and now you can see that I have already copied that one. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to send that, for example, to my friend. It could be myself, and let me just send that to myself, and I will then join from my mobile. Maybe you can consider that you are sending that to your student, and the student will join that classroom later on. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I have just copied what, that link, which is invitation URL. I have copied the URL, and I'm going to send it through email, through messenger, through any platform where you are going to do that one. Now I will just show you, for example, my mobile. I will add that, and I will give you a simple my screen here. Okay, now let me show you. And here we have like my mobile, and here is my screen. And for the mobile, if you are using, since I'm using right now, it is my iPhone, and if you are going to use you have Android, no problem, you are going to download the application of this Zoom, which I have. You can see that I have Zoom application here, and I'm going to open that one, or we are just going to come, I'm going to come in my messenger. I have the invitation link which is here in my mobile, and I'm going to click that one, and after clicking you will see that it will automatically open in Zoom application. Okay, now see, we have already got that in Zoom application. Now you can see me here with my camera, and I will click on join with a video, you can see, and here we will get in main screen. For example, now you can see Jamshed iPhone has entered the waiting room for this meeting. Now you have like one option. If you are going to you can also see that please wait, the meeting host will let you in session Jamshed Razaz's Zoom meeting. Now if I'm going to see waiting room, or I'm going to admit, if I'm going to press admit, that the participant will just enter the Zoom. Now you can see we have here in mobile connecting, and I will just say press call using internet audio, and okay, I just muted myself as well. Now you can see it is my one view, which is I'm from my mobile phone, and you can also see my mobile phone. It looks similarly like this one, and right now I'm using meeting, and that mobile phone is for students. When the students are going to use for example iPad, laptop, PC, or Android or iPhone devices, they can join from here. And that is my main display, which a teacher will see each and everything. Okay, now we have two participants right now. Let me just show you. One is host, which is Jamshed Raza, and one is student, which is Jamshed Raza iPhones. I can also unmute, and also, for example, stop video, make host. I can also make a second host as well, who can manage my all webinar or my all classroom as well in between when I'm teaching someone. Okay, I can remove a student who are not interested or who are making disturbance in my classroom, or I may put in a waiting room. For example, now see, I'm here and I'm going to put in waiting room. Now you can see that a person is in waiting room and he can only listen. He cannot or she cannot speak while I'm teaching in classroom. You can make in waiting room if someone are like going to listen. Now you can see in my mobile screen that please wait, the meeting host will let you in. Now once again I will admit, and you can see that the person will join once again, and it is connecting right now, okay, in mobile, and I have already joined that one. Now there is the complete tutorial step by step, which I have made it for you to clear each and everything. Again, if you have any question and you want to just have any confusion, just write that in comment box below. And if you like that video, thumbs up and also share with your friends. Thank you everyone. Hope you have learned how to use Zoom application.